Hi guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be going over some of my New Year's resolution goals for 2018. Nothing really like big for goals, but you know, everyone's got to set some goals, and I decided I should probably set some because I never do. And I need to stop playing with my hair. That should be one of them. Before this video continues, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, like hello. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want me to do next. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so one goal I was thinking of was to start drinking more water every day. I don't drink that much water at all every day, so probably should start doing that. I mean, it's healthy for you and it's really good. I just don't. I'd rather drink like juice, and yes, I have swatches on my hand from my last video. I want to look at more reviews of makeup before I go to buy it. I know that's a really lame review, but like, even though I'm the type of person that's like, oh, just because someone says it's horrible doesn't mean it's gonna be, I need to take those in consideration when I actually go to look and buy a product, because I'm not really good at that. I mean, I don't want to just like buy it and then have it flop, and then I wasted my money on it, which is kind of ridiculous, but that's a stupid goal. But hey, it's one of my goals that I want. I also want to get better at uploading videos. I, for some reason, just suck at it. I make videos, and some of my videos I decide that I don't like anymore, so I get rid of them because I want good quality for you guys. But I need to get on an uploading schedule because I want this channel to actually grow. I want more subscribers, and YouTube doesn't help you unless you upload more frequent, and if you stay on task with uploading, because they'll get your channel out more and they'll help you more. But if you don't, then you're just gonna slowly progress, and I want to get up and be moving a little bit faster, and I keep hitting my hair. Next goal, we're gonna stop playing with my hair in videos. It's obviously really annoying to watch back when I'm playing. I should have like a counter of how many times I play with my hair in videos. That's just something that's really annoying. Those are like my main ones. Lastly, one of my goals is to bring more people onto this channel. I really want to bring my boyfriend onto this channel because he's very supportive of everything I do. I want you guys to get to know him, meet him, but introduce him properly, not like in a vlog. So I'm gonna hope to do a boyfriend tag with him sometime soon, hopefully, maybe on his day off of work. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Yeah. Those are honestly my goals for 2018. They're literally like the same. I already work out, so I don't need to add that as a goal because I already do that. I already try my hardest in school because school doesn't come easy to me to begin with, so I have to from the beginning. So that doesn't have to get into a goal. I already eat healthy. Like, my mom cooks meals every day, so I don't need to add eat healthy on there. The only thing I need to do health-wise is drink more water and go to sleep at appropriate times, but I already do that. But now that I'm like sick, I'm not really, and I'm on winter break, so that just all screwed that up. But normally I go to bed at pretty normal times, so we're gonna add that into another goal too, because you just should go to bed at a normal time because it's healthy for you, and you at least get 7 hours of sleep, if not 8. So let me know what your guys' New Year's I can't say resolution today. Let me know what your goals for 2018 are down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have the same. If you don't, let me know of something that you thought of that you really would want to do in 2018. Just remember, it is a new year. I know people say new year, new me, but like, you don't really change that much from 11:59 to midnight. But do whatever makes you happy in 2018. And if you're already doing something that makes you happy, just keep on doing it, because you being happy is the best thing you can do.